No two water systems are the same, and that's why at AER-USA, we offer multiple mounting options to ensure our equipment works exactly where you need it. Whether you're managing wastewater, treating biogas, restoring lakes and ponds, or improving flow in aquaculture or hydroponic systems, we've got you covered. Let's explore your options. Floating mounts perfect for applications with variable water levels, like ponds, lagoons, or digesters. Our floating mounts keep aerators and mixers at the right depth automatically, ensuring optimal performance in fluctuating environments. Static mounts. Need fixed positioning? Static mounts provide stable, secure placement for tanks, concrete basins, or any system with consistent water depth. Ideal for industrial wastewater or controlled flow environments. Dock mounts. Dock-mounted systems are great for easy access and maintenance, especially in small lakes, aquafarms, and private water bodies. They keep equipment close to shore, making monitoring and servicing simple. Trolley systems. For deeper tanks or digesters. Where movement and positioning are key, trolley systems allow you to raise, lower, and reposition mixers with ease. They're a smart choice for biogas applications and industrial facilities that require flexibility and control. Every mount we offer is designed to maximize performance, simplify maintenance, and ensure long-term durability, no matter the environment. Still not sure which mount fits your system? Contact AER-USA today, and we'll help you find the perfect fit.